What's going on, guys? My name is Albert Jason Alburo. I'm from Cagayan de Oro from the Philippines, and I'm here with my partner. Introduce yourself.
Oh, I'm Vincent Beber.
And today we're gonna show you how to use polymorphism. This is a tutorial video that we're gonna do. So if you want to see more videos, like tutorial videos like this, please be sure to like, subscribe, turn on my post notifications, and leave a comment down below. Now for today, we're gonna be discussing, and not only that, but we're gonna demonstrate on how to program it. But first is gonna be Vincent. He's gonna be discussing or explaining the things about polymorphism. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video.
Hello everyone, how are you doing? So today we're going to learn about polymorphism. So first, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism means many forms, and it occurs when we have many classes that are related to each other by inheritance. Inheritance lets us inherit attributes and methods from another class. Inheritance in Java is a concept that acquires the properties from one class to other classes. For example, the relationship between father and son. In Java, a class can inherit attributes and methods from another class. In inheritance, the properties of the base class are acquired by the derived classes. Inheritance uses the extends keyword to create a derived class by using base class code. So why we use inheritance?
Continue.
Inheritance. The main advantage of inheritance is called reusability and also method overriding, runtime polymorphism. Inheritance is also known as the ISA relationship. This is the terms used in inheritance. A class is a collection of objects which have a common properties. Derived class, subclass. Derived class is a class that inherits from a base class. It is also known as subclass or child class, base class or superclass. The base class is the main class where derived class inherit the features. It is also known as the superclass or parent class. And the last one, reusability. The name itself says to reuse the repeated code in the programs. It is a mechanism to use existing code when you are creating new classes. Now let's talk about class. A class is user-defined blueprint or prototype from which objects are created. It represents the set of properties or methods that are common to all objects of one type. Everything that is inside of a class is just variables and methods. Every object in the world has properties and things that can do, so we represent those properties that can do as variables and methods. Polymorphism. So, about polymorphism uses those methods to perform different tasks. This allows us to perform a single action in different ways. Here are the examples. For example, think of a superclass called animal that has method called animal sound. Subclasses of animals could be pig, cats, dogs, birds. And they also have their own implementation of an animal sound like the pig oinks and What else? The dog make the sound of ow ow or whatever, chatter. So here's the example. So for you to understand the polymorphism in Java, AJ will make you some examples.
Just like what Vincent said a while ago, polymorphism is many forms. So the class that I'm gonna create is let's see, vehicle. And of course, guys, the vehicle has a method, like, of course, the method would be vehicle movement. So of course, guys, the vehicle like moves, and of course that's how it is, guys. Vehicle movement. And of course we don't have to forget about like what we do. And next is system out println. Okay. And we put here the vehicle moves. Okay, so if we create a vehicle object here, so and of course we can put my vehicle movement. And you will see how it runs. Okay guys, so here let's use inheritance to create a vehicle. So of course, let's see, the vehicle that I'm gonna place is airplane, and of course, let's see, the airplane has a movement. So let's see, it's just the same, guys. So of course, extends vehicle. Okay, so what we have here is that we still have the same method, guys. So of course, and of course, let's try this. Let's change this thing to, this one is about airplane. So of course, the airplane flies in the air. So you can create anything, like for example, airplane extends vehicle. Then of course, the next we're gonna create is there are still other vehicles that we're gonna place, of course, guys. Another vehicle that we're gonna place is boat, so of course class boat extends vehicle, then of course the method is still vehicle movement when you save the file. So this is how it looks, but you know. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Other than that, it's AJ,
Vince,
and we're out. Peace.